guys, I actually had to edit this because I didn't actually mean to like stop the camera, the rolling. As you can see, it's like 18 minutes, yeah, stuff like that. My battery percent is so low. And I also can't charge my... oh my god, that was so bad. It was a very good start. Amazing start. So wait, let me just... this way. There we go. Jump onto each of platforms. Oh wow, that scared me. Sorry guys, that scared me a little bit. No. Also guys, I don't have Robux, sadly. Like other people do. Yeah. Sadly, I don't have Robux or anything. Also guys, if you want to win a giveaway, yes, I'm doing a giveaway with 12 subscribers. You have to actually, you know what, never mind. You don't have to subscribe if you don't want. Sorry, that was just my door just slamming itself. He has a mind of his own. Oh, I like this one sort of. I like this one sort of. So there we go. We're at the 1, 2, 3, 4. We're on the 5th level right now. 5th level. And this is called Aura. So you just have to jump on these platforms. No, I fell. That wasn't good. Just start all over again. If you want to win a, as I said before, if you want to win a giveaway, you don't have to subscribe or do anything. Just comment your user and yeah. By the way, if you want to win a free pet, a surprise pet, yeah. Dum 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 dum. We're on the 3rd level now. As if you hear me saying please subscribe in the past few videos, please ignore it. I thought it was green. There we go. We're on the 5th level again. Oh, please don't speed it. Oh, come on. Please ignore the fact I said subscribe in the past few videos. I wasn't meant to say it because I want you guys to choose in life. Like you guys can choose to subscribe me or not. Oh my god, guys, we made it to the top. We made it to the top, guys. Everybody, we made it to the top. Yay! My sister just made me fall. Lol, that was really funny. She stepped on my mouse and I lost control. Oh, she stepped on my mouse. Oh, there we go. Oh, this guy is gray. How awful that. We are doing I was just about to say pretty well, but I just fell, so we're doing pretty okay. I made it to the top twice, or yeah. Jump. We just have to let me go. Yay! We made it to the second level. Second level, yay! Second level. I forgot what this is called. Okay, so we made it to the third level called Halo, or the Halo, if I'm not mistaken. I think it is called the Halo. There we go. Jump, 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 and jump. Yay! We officially made it to the 1, 2, 3, 4th level. Actually, no, the 3rd level. No, the 4th. The 4th level, and we made it to the 5th level. This is not that hard. No! Try again. Try again. Again, try again. Try again. Guys, if you do not make it, please try again. It will make my day better, and of course it will make your day better, because if you keep on trying, you might get to the top. I say might get to the top, but yeah. Second time's a charm for me. Wait, no, it's third time's a charm, since I died on the first thing. Yep, let's go. Therefore you still listen close. We made it to the hot pink level again. We made it to the 5th level again. Oh, no! No! I don't think we'll make it this on this round, guys. So I'll see you in the next round. So it is the next round, aka new server. So it's going pretty well. You still listen close. There are okay, I forgot where it is. Whee! Okay. So we just jump up there. Oh, I don't like this one so too much. A lot. You can't die on this one because it will be very late. So we just made it. I don't know why I'm talking British. So yeah. Okay, this one is a new level. And I like this level because it's very easy. Sort of. Oh, this level is a bit hard for me. Sort of. Oh, I almost fell down to the ground. But don't worry, I was saved by a very nice platform. Thank goodness it wasn't the lasers. It would have been really bad if it was the lasers. Why do I feel like you guys can't hear me? Because of the noise in the background. Okay, let's go. Oh no, I don't like this one too much. Stay right here. Oh, I almost touched it. Okay. So we're going in for a deep dive. No, it was because of this. No, I was on the last level. No. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like. Actually, no, you can make your own decisions. Anyways, bye.